The country that you live in is run by a Masonic government. How can I prove that? All you need to do is to pick up a dollar bill and look on the back of it. You'll find a pyramid on the back of an American dollar bill. What is an African building doing on American money is the first question one could and probably should ask oneself if they're curious enough, in terms, again, of a subject matter that you won't get much of in school. That's called symbology. The language of nature is symbology. In that body of secret information is the knowledge that you're supposed to have in your mind as you grow and develop, that tells you who you are, what you are, where you are, and from whence you have come. That's how important hidden knowledge is, how important it is and attached to this concept here. This concept is in the Bible, but it's not stated as more, it's defined. Another way you hide something, you don't put the word there, you just define it. Okay? No, that's the way the surname is spelled. This is the old spelling of Moore. You're right. This word here is the same as this word here. Right. This is the Latin spelling of that word. Mar. Yes. Yeah. There's a book that in the footnote gives this concept here. Let me put it here. No, freemoore. Yes, This is German. This is Latin. Now the writer of that book, a woman named Elizabeth Cooper Baker, who was an Eastern Star, said this meant Freemason, and it doesn't. This is the Latin word for this. It means freemoore. You have a concept of that in this country's Masonic order called free and acceptable Mason. That's the free and accepted Moore. Okay? Now I'm giving you the hidden part because it enhances the clarity of what history provides for you to appreciate. History, or the records of the past, helps to correct our thinking, how we view ourselves in a mirror, and how we view each other. If I can look at you and see something of value in you and in myself, I am less likely to want to harm you, and more likely to want to help you. But if I look at you and see no value in what I see, I'm most likely willing to harm you than help you. That's how important self-knowledge is. See? Plus, it gives valuableness to your humanity when you're able to define yourself and to define those in your personal world, those whom you claim to love. You should know something about them. From name to birth date to ethnic descent. You see? That's all involved in what we claim to be loving one another and loving ourselves.